Greetings, friend. Watch Refrigeration News for Thursday, May 2nd, 2024 on our channel. York launches 575-volt, high-efficiency air-to-water heat pump. REHVA President at ASHRAE International Building Decarbonization Conference 2024. Grenada steps closer towards the establishment of a product registration system for cooling equipment. AKO and E.Leclerc Pamplona, a success case in sustainability and energy efficiency. GCCA announces new board members for 2024. Airedale by Modine achieves AHRI certification. Carrier Japan launches Carrier AquaEdge 19DV Centrifugal Chiller Series in Japan. Dear friend, please like this video if it was useful for you. First news today, York launches 575-volt high-efficiency air-to-water heat pump. Johnson Controls announced the launch of the York YMAE 575V air-to-water inverter scroll modular heat pump for use in Canada. The high-efficiency heat pump is now available in a 575-volt model and is compliant with the Canadian Registration Number (CRN) requirements for pressurized equipment in certain provinces. The York YMAE heat pump has achieved exceptional results around the world, and we are proud to further optimize its performance for the Canadian market, said Gerald Lauman, Global Product Manager, Air-Cooled Scroll Chillers and Heat Pumps, Johnson Controls. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. REHVA President at ASHRAE International Building Decarbonization Conference 2024. The ASHRAE 2024 International Building Decarbonization Conference, held from April 17th to 19th in Madrid, Spain, was an important event for professionals working in the built environment industry. This conference, marking its third edition, aimed to address the urgent need to reduce carbon emissions from buildings and infrastructure, with a focus on sustainable practices and technologies. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. Grenada steps closer towards the establishment of a product registration system for cooling equipment. Grenada solidified its commitment for a market transformation to energy-efficient and climate-friendly cooling solutions with the successful hosting of a workshop on the establishment of a product registration system for cooling equipment. The workshop, held in March 2024, presented a potential setup and implications for stakeholders regarding a product registration system in Grenada. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today, ACO and E.Leclerc Pamplona, a success case in sustainability and energy efficiency. ACO, a leader in innovative and sustainable refrigeration solutions, is pleased to note the continued success of its collaboration with E.Leclerc Pamplona. During the AFITE breakfasts held at the Barceló Sants Hotel in Barcelona, Mr. Philippe Grue, General Manager of E.Leclerc Pamplona, presented success story. In 2021, E.Leclerc Pamplona implemented an advanced temperature monitoring and control system developed by AKO, which reduced the energy consumption of its refrigeration units by 12. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. GCCA announces new board members for 2024. The Global Cold Chain Alliance, GCCA, recently announced its new Board of Directors roster for the Transportation Division. Board members are volunteer leaders and responsible for governing, developing policy, and setting a course for the future. The board focuses on advancing the mission, vision, and strategic goals of the organization. The 2024 GCCA Transportation Board is led by Don Durham from PLM Fleet as the 2024 chairman, Richard Patnaud from Congebec as vice chairman, and Robert Fay from Florida Freezer as treasurer. Read more the news on our website today. Sixth news today. Airedale by Modine achieves AHRI certification. Airedale announces that the EasyCool range, EasyCool Evo Squade and EasyCool EZRE, has received certification from AHRI, the leading body for testing the performance of heating, cooling, and refrigeration equipment worldwide. RE certification is a deciding factor for consumers investing in HVAC systems because it means the products have passed rigorous third-party testing to meet industry standards. Notably, AHRI certification not only guarantees the quality of HVAC equipment, but also helps improve energy efficiency. Read more of the news on our website today. 7th news today. Carrier Japan launches Carrier AquaEdge 19DV Centrifugal Chiller Series in Japan. Carrier Japan Corporation, CJC, announced that it will launch the Carrier AquaEdge 19DV Centrifugal Chiller Series in May as a part of its HVAC solutions for large-scale facilities offerings. Carrier's centrifugal chillers, with more than 100 years of history, are commercially available across the world and support customers' decarbonization journey as sustainable solutions for facilities such as urban centers and large-scale industrial complexes. Read more of the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Follow Refrigeration News on social networks. Please find the links below.